Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add motion blur in Photoshop. So without any further delay, let's start the tutorial. All right, guys, now let's add the image that we are going to use in this tutorial. Let me adjust the size of the image, then go to Filter and click on Blur. Now select Motion Blur. All right, if I increase the distance, then you can see the motion blur increase, but if the decrease, then you can see the difference. Now, if you increase the angle, because it's going to add more depth in the image. Once you're done with it, then press Enter or click on OK. That's how you can add motion blur in Photoshop. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I will try to reply as soon as possible. And if you want to know how to crop in Canva, then watch this video. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and